Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I will show you guys how to show your bookmarks bar when you go into another website. So as you can see, I have two bookmarks here from YouTube and Minecraft. But whenever I go into a site, whatever site it is, the bookmark bar disappears. And this is really annoying if I want to cut straight to something I've already been to. So the solution to this is actually really simple. On Windows, you press Control-Shift-V. And I'll put that on the screen right there, Control-Shift-V. And on Mac, you must do the same with Command, and it works the same way. But I don't have a MacBook. Since I don't have a MacBook, and if this video helped you, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe and like my video, so maybe one day I can buy a MacBook and start making MacBook tutorials. That's going to be all for today's video. Thank you so much, and please leave a comment if you enjoyed. Thank you.